Hello, I am Ray Gao, and this is my avatar. Today I will be discussing with you why school starts too. Students these days are packed with activities. Many have extracurricular activities, and they have to do all their homework. This doesn't leave a lot of time for sleep. Many somnologists interviewed by Seattle Times said that sleep-deprived students have lack of attention, difficulty paying attention to classes, lack of awareness, and lower grades. When schools do start later, though, grades significantly improved. On the Star-Tribune newspaper, 2 Minneapolis school districts started later at 8:30 a.m., and the grade average improved. This is because, as seen on WebMD.com, children have brains that aren't fully aware and functional until 10 a.m. After the 2 schools in Minneapolis started later, many children said that they felt more awake and aware when interviewed. Daily Mail UK said that this all could have happened without the later start time. In a recent poll I made, 18 out of 24 students thought that school started too early. And online, 80% of people thought school started too early. This is probably because they're too groggy to get up in the morning and tired. America is also falling behind other countries because school starts too early. Other countries don't start school so early, but we do, and they end up getting better grades. But my final reason is that sleep deprivation stunts growth. As KidsHealth.org notes, sleep deprivation can cause depression, unhealthy weight gain, and slows the process of a child growing tall. Sleep helps the bone get longer and rests the brain, as many websites such as WebMD notes. Sleep deprivation will counter all the benefits of sleep. Unfortunately, school starting too early causes sleep deprivation, as KidsHealth.org notes. I think you can make school start late and end late. Any after-school programs could start later. This way, when schools end late, parents have more time to get work done and pick up their kids. I think this will be in the best interest of students. It will help them get better grades, pay attention, and have a healthy growth. This is a great solution.